Hey guys, we're here at CarStart Ancaster. Behind me we have a beautiful 2020 Porsche Taycan 4S. We're about to take you through our ceramic coating process. First up, we're going to give this vehicle a thorough wash, decontamination, and get it prepped up for our polishing. Our vehicle has received its paint correction. We're going to prepare the surface to apply our first layer of G-Technique Ultra on the vehicle, and then we will top that off with G-Technique's XO V4.